He's gotta eat a lot. You know, he's gotta go and hunt his meals.
He needs a little more energy.
He needs some more blood.
But he needs to get a roar.